Hello, everyone, and welcome to a professional DevOps learning channel with DevOps engineer Louis. In today's video, we're going to learn how to install Tomcat on MobaXTerm Redhat 9 server. First up, search up aws.amazon.com. Click on Create Amazon. Click on Create AWS Account or Sign in. Enter your email in the root user's email address and the account name in the AWS account name. Click on Verify Email Address. Copy the code sent to your email and verify your email. Create a password. Enter your private details. Click on Search and search EC2. Click on EC2. Scroll down until you can see Launch Instance. Click on Launch Instance. Name your instance, then scroll down. Click on Red Hat, then scroll down. Under Instance Type, click on T2 Medium, not T2 Micro. Under Key Pair, click on Create New Key Pair. Name your key, then create a key pair. Under Network Settings, under Firewall Security Groups, click on Create Security Group. Click on Allow SSH traffic from Click on Allow HTTPS traffic from the internet. Click on Allow HTTP traffic from the internet. Then you're gonna click on Edit beside Network Settings. Click on Create Security Group, then enter a name. For example, Tomcat Security. Scroll down and add Security Group rule. In the port range, type 8080. Under source type, type anywhere. Click on Launch Instance. Click on the instance ID. In the instance state will show whether it's running or not. Click on the checkbox to see the public IP address. Open MobaXTerm. Click on Sessions. Select SSH. Paste the public IP address in the remote host. Click on Specify Username. Enter your username, preferably EC2 user. Click on Advanced SSH Settings. Click the checkbox near Use Private Key. Click the Documents icon and select your private key .pem. Click on Accept. Type sudo hostname ctl set hostname tomcat. Type sudo su-ec2 user. Type cd/opt. Sudo yum install. Type sudo yum install wget unzip git-y. Type sudo yum install wget unzip git-all-y. Type sudo yum install java 1.8 1.0. Type sudo yum install java 1.8.0 openjdk devel y. Type java version. Type git version. Search up this link that I'll paste in the description down below. Right click the link. Right click the link on the text zip underneath core. Click on copy link address. Click on copy link address. Type sudo wget, then the link. Type sudo unzip file name .zip. Type sudo rm-rf filename.zip. Type sudo mv filename to Tomcat 9. Type sudo chomod 775-r/opt/tomcat 9. Type sudo chown ec2-user-r/opt/tomcat 9. Type sh/opt/tomcat9/bin/startup.sh. This is to get Tomcat started. Now, if we want to create a soft link for Tomcat, type sudo ln-s/opc/tomcat9/bin/startup.sh/user no /usr/bin/start Tomcat. Type sudo ln slash sudo type sudo ln-s/opt/tomcat9/bin/shutdown.sh/usr/bin/tomcat.stop tomcat. Don't worry, I'll paste all these steps in the comments section down below and in the description down below. Type start tomcat to verify that the soft link is created. Then type stop tomcat. Start tomcat once more. Then search up http :/ and your server IP address dot search up http :/ server IP address port number to verify if Tomcat is running. If this page loads, then means Tomcat is running properly. Once done with the instance, don't forget to stop the instance because AWS will charge you. Congratulations on watching the full video. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you have any questions, please comment it in the comment section down below. I'll see you all in the next video as you continue your DevOps learning journey with DevOps Lewis.